I promise not to tell anybody about this. Oh my God, motherfucker.
Oh, at least I can sit down a little bit.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Very good. How you doing?
Good. Just down there?
Yeah, even me. I think if you look, you see the problem is it's locked.
Hmm?
It's locked. I don't know how to unlock it.
That's the only problem?
Well, it had to be a reason for it to go. Well, you gonna do this in a miracle second? Oh my God, motherfucker. I pushed every, I bet you 2 hours.
Says hold here for 3 seconds.
I did that.
And then what happened?
Nothing.
Hold this.
Holy shit. You're an embarrassment.
It works perfectly fine. So we still have to charge you.
That's life. Next time I'll fucking find out what I'm doing.
Okay, but make sure we do it right. Try it.
What do you want me to do?
Lock it. No. Lock it. Hold it. Press and hold. You don't have to push it like hard. Okay.
Now it's locked.
Unlock it. Happens. Life
I am
happens.
paying. Don't be silly. I promise not to tell anybody about this.
I will.
Come inside. I gotta sit down.
Okay, my friend. Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
I was glad that I helped you out quick.
You did. Hey. You make my wife very happy.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. That's the main thing.
Got warm wine last night. Thanks again.
No problem.
Pat yourself in the back. You do know what the hell you're doing.
Thank you.